Hi YouTube viewers, welcome back to my next video on JNTU Labs. I am Manohar. I am bringing new Arduino programming on GPS. So in my previous video you have seen about the RFID tag and also IR module. Okay, in RFID tag I have given you code and explanation. A practical demo has been not been implemented right now. So soon I will be making that video also. I am quite not getting that module. I'm getting my output, but I don't have that module right now, so that's the reason it is quite delay. So today I have my GPS module. So let me complete the GPS module for you, and let us find what are the programming part. For programming part, what this module, what are the pins, and some basic things of GPS. Okay, if you go and buy it in market, if you tell a GPS module I require, you need to tell G70201 UB GPS. He will be giving you in the market presently. So you have different colors. See, yellow, black, and green, blue, red. So these kind of things are present. So for in those all things we don't bother about, we are least bother about this wire and last wire, the first wire and last wire, that is a P wire and E wire. So next, if you see, it is a voltage pin. See VCC, so that is a voltage. This is a transmitter pin, so T is given. This is a receiver pin, so R is given. This is a ground pin, G is given. If you think it is an enable pin, if I think it is E as enable pin and P as position pin, you will be wrong, because in my programming or in whenever I connect this module to my Arduino, whenever you will be seeing in my next videos circuit diagram also, if you see the circuit diagram of this also, then you will be finding that there will be no pins, where no pins will be connecting to E and P pins. So E and P are not enable and PPS position. So we need to connect this VCC to give power supply to this module, GPS module. Next we have to connect a transmitter pin which transmits the data to our Arduino board, to a receiver pin of your Arduino board, and receiver pin is not connected because I don't want to send any data to GPS module. Okay, so whenever you see the AT commands of GPS, and if you want to see the AT commands, if you want to execute any AT commands on it, then we will be using this receiver pin. So basically we don't use this receiver pin also. And next thing is ground. If there is a power supply, there will be a ground. So that's all. We require 3 wires. Remember, 5 volts to 3.3 volts. You can give it to 5 volts. And next you can give your transmitter to the receiver pin of your Arduino board. And this ground is given. This ground is given to your ground pin. So if you see clearly the specifications, it is in this way. So G is ground. R is serial port input. Okay, it transmits the data serially, okay, and receives the data also serially to our Arduino board. Okay, next, these are small features of the GSM module which I don't want to discuss in this video, because if I go on, it is not a theory session. My videos are all related to practical. That's the reason I'm stopping here right now. But remember friends, you need to remember all the values, because these are the specifications which you will be getting from your GPS module. See, maximum altitude you will be getting is 18,000 meters. So this kind of things you will be getting it. Operating temperature, in which temperature you can operate. So those things are given. Packaging size is not required, and advantages, disadvantages. It will be quite helpful for you in documentation whenever you use this module. Thank you for watching this video. Wait for my next video for the programming part. After programming, we will be making an real-time application. Thank you.